I don't know what just all of a sudden, holy crap, this is scary. Look at that. I watched that flip. Close that door, or close that window. Go upstairs, close the windows upstairs.
There's no windows open upstairs.
No?
There's not a window.
Okay.
Is your window open?
I do it to cool down.
Is that rain or is that
That's just wind and dirt.
Yeah, it's almost like allergic reaction that you're
my
having.
trees in the front are almost
It's,
like bending
it's
halfway.
called psoriasis.
Their
but
little
it's-
kid's house, and it's
technically
completely
not.
flipped upside down. I watched it go almost over their fencing.
I still have to drive TK and Brandon home. Hey.
Everything was fine and dandy. My sister went outside to grab a paper, which is completely gone now. Oh, now it's raining. I had to tell her to get the hell inside right now. The door's right there. She was right there, and I'm like, get the hell inside right now, because it just went like a freaking tornado or something. I don't know what the hell that was, but it was terrifying.
This might cause a tornado.
Not likely.
We're in a pool area.
Yeah.
It's not gonna get tornadoes.
British Columbia, it's very hard for tornadoes to actually touch ground.
Be clear.
There might be tornadoes that start in the sky, but they never make it to the ground because there's too much in the way.
We have mini tornadoes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cyclones.
And we get them on the water.
Oh my god.
Like on the
That's
rivers
what I
that
said.
are.
Isn't it crazy?
The rivers wind too
While
much,
you were
they
running
won't
inside, I
cross
watched it
off.
get lifted and flipped.
We have the trampoline. It can damage the house.
It could damage my van. Nothing at the moment. We're staying inside
This
and
is
we'll
good.
deal with it as it comes.
This is gonna cause so much damage to the house.
It can cause damage to everything, Kaylee.
The baby's play.
Look at that house, the little kid's house. It's upside down.
Picked it up and tossed it.
Mom.
Yep.
Mom, we're gonna
Okay,
lose the
look at-
trampoline.
Okay, bye.
The trampoline's gonna be gone when we go outside. I
Not
bet you.
necessarily. If someone's over outside of that house trying to deal with something.
God, my legs were shaking now that you yelled at me. to
Sorry.
get inside.
I didn't mean to scare you. That was scary though. I've never seen the wind blow that hard here before.
Yeah, because from what I'm reading, it's.
I had never seen that. Everything was just sideways. We got people over in their yard trying to. Oh, screw this! I think this is some kind of tropical storm we just got smacked with.
Same story applies to some degree to our.
We're lucky we
Everything
don't
was
live-
calm until it wasn't.
We're lucky we didn't live with any lakes. We would have had a tsunami.
A tsunami?
Yeah, tsunami.
Salami!
You're gonna have to.
I love you, sister.
I can't speak right because you scared me so much. My heart is beating so fast and my legs are shaking. I can barely stand right now.
Possible stuff that you're getting
Good
exposed
times.
to, you know?
But yeah,
Hey!
we would be covered in...
Kaylee moved really fast in
Try to
emergency.
keep track on how much it spreads and how worse it gets.
I gotta do some
It's-
digging
So, for
around.
example,
Okay.
The sad thing is,